Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone apps keep crashing after iOS 17 update. So guys, iPhone users say some apps on their iPhone such as banking apps, Apple Music and WhatsApp businesses starts crashing after updating to iOS 17. This may not be an app issue but an iOS 17 issue. So we will take a deep dive into why apps keep crashing on iOS 17 and then provide solution you can use to fix the problem. Our first solution is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone could really help it and fix any small bugs and errors it might be facing. A lot of time app crashing problems are fixed just by forcing restart. For restarting your iPhone, simply tap on your settings and go back and go to your general. Tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After applying this and then you're still facing the same issue, then you have to restart or install app. Also, you can take action with the app that keep closing abnormally. First, swipe it up from the recently used app list to get it restarted. Second, delete it from your iPhone and then reinstall again from the App Store. Third, for some apps like App Music, sign out if your account and then sign in again. After applying this, and you can try solution number 3, check network connection. If the app that is crashing uses internet to work properly, then you also need to check your internet connection. It could be that iOS 17 causes internet not working and then leads to app crash. Switch from the mobile data to Wi-Fi or vice versa and try again. Further, reset network settings in Settings app. For resetting your network settings, simply tap on your general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to clear your iPhone storage. The iOS 17 download will take up several GBs and you might have many unused apps installed. If there is not enough storage for apps to load or download data, the app will crash and close suddenly. You should check iPhone storage in settings and delete the extra app and data from your iPhone to make some space. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.